Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making the best Meyer Lemon Pound Cake. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Add 113 grams of softened butter, 340 grams of cane sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no butter chunks. Next, add in 3 large eggs and mix together. Last, add in half a cup of milk, 212 grams of cake flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and the zest of 1 Meyer lemon. You can also use a regular lemon here too. And make sure to save that lemon as we'll need it for the glaze. Mix on low until combined into a smooth cake batter. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl partway through mixing to ensure everything is combined. Transfer the batter to a 1-pound loaf pan that's lined with parchment paper and spread it out evenly. Bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Make the glaze while the cake is baking. Add 212 grams of sifted powdered sugar to a large mixing bowl. My trick for juicing lemons is to cut the lemon in half and then cut off the butt, as you're not missing any juice here, and it makes it so much easier to press in a hand juicer like I'm doing here. Add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is about half a lemon. The more lemon juice you use, the thinner the glaze. The less, the thicker. So use less or more for your desired consistency. Once the cake is cooled completely, spread the glaze over the cake. Cut into 8 slices and indulge in one of my favorite cakes. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more cake recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.